This is the Coach Western Tabby bag, and I bought it a few days ago because I saw it in store and it was just so irresistible. So here's me about to unbox it. The people at Coach were so nice when I was there and they decided to gift wrap the bag for me. So let's unbox it. So with every purchase of a Coach bag, you get this nice black envelope with your receipt. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at this. This is gorgeous. I almost don't want to open it, to be honest. Like, it's so pretty. And I love the colors. And it's actually a really nice quality, box and bag, which I don't usually pay attention to, but it is Coach, so it kind of has to be. So let's actually get a closer look. So here we have a nicer angle for the camera. I still have not opened it, and I'm going to open it specifically for the camera, not for me, because you guys deserve it. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I almost don't want to open it. Look at this. And I love the sticker because I love that. Oh my goodness. Let's move the box. We have the bag, and I'm so sorry for teasing it, but it just looks so gorgeous. Beautiful bow. Pull. Comes off really nice and easy. Here we go. Oh my God. Guys, look at this. This is a beautiful, it's almost giving vintage. So actually, the Western Tabby is a bag that was originally released, I believe, in the 1980s. You can correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but it was originally released a long time ago, and then they took it off the lines and then they brought it back. So what they did different from the old Western Tabby bag was that inside there is another strap to switch it to a long bag, because there are these shoulder, actually, sorry, the other straps are in there as well, because it was originally just a shoulder bag. So they also wanted to give you the option of making it longer. Let's take this out. Look inside, guys. Look at all of that space. And look at that color. So you can see here, it says, if it wants to focus, let's focus it. Natural full grain leather. Perfect. Okay. So I love the vintage look of it. I love the little side pockets. For me, that's really important. I like having a lot of compartments. Let's twist this. There's a little space here. Perfect. Look at this. I didn't personalize it. Down below, there's another one. Let's open up these so I can talk about these more, because there's an actual interesting thing to be said about these straps. Let's take these. So this is the original one. It's a bit shorter, right? So what they did differently from the old ones is they actually made it, I wouldn't call it more accessible per se, but they added extra loops, which I think is really important. You want the bag to fit you, not you fit the bag, right? Because it's yours. Beautiful, look at that. This is the one that I like the most. Perfect. Little shoulder pad. Guys, I'm sorry, this is my first bag showing, so I'm a little bit new at this. This is actually really easy to slide on, which is really nice. This is the very long strap. Now it doesn't have this, but I believe this comes off so that I can actually put it on here. So this is actually one of the first designer purses I've ever purchased. I'm not much of a purse person, but when it came to this, I had to get it. It was originally retailed at around $600 and something Canadian. Look at that. Straight to the side. I am very picky, so this is really making me happy. I think Coach is just one of those really good designer brands. I really have not been interested in other brands because, is this on backwards? I don't know. No, I think it's not. Maybe. No, it can't because the shoulder straps are like that. Because I find that a lot of brands are just too expensive and their quality is really downhill. I'm not naming names, obviously. I'm not saying all designer brands, but with Coach, it has good quality and the prices aren't as bad. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not spending $600 on a purse all the time. This is definitely gonna be probably like a one-time purchase, but I'm still really happy with it. And I am really grateful. And oh, look, there's these little things I have to remove. Perfect. Oh, and there's these little caps too. Oh, there's caps. That's so smart. Now, I want you guys to see how nice it looks on the shoulder. You can see the shoulder pad. And then to the side if I'm wearing it. Like, wow. And again, there's so much space in here. I could put my wallet, I could put a lot of other things in here. There's so many different pockets and compartments. Now let's talk about pros and cons, okay? There's not much. Con, really expensive. Pro, really pretty. Con, chunky C, but to me that's a pro. I love the chunky C. I'm very picky with it though, but I really like it on this purse. What's really nice as well, another pro, is that once this starts to wear down more, it becomes more soft, and that gives it its vintage look, which is really what I want. I love vintage purses. Never really purchased one because again, they're so expensive, but I think I deserved a treat. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this, please don't forget to subscribe and like if you choose to. I'm not going to force you to, obviously. Comment down below if you like this purse, if you hate it. Really, I'm open to every comment. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hey guys, just one final note. I forgot to mention how Coach has a free leather care program after you purchase. It is for lifetime, so every 3 months I can go and get my purse taken care of. Thank you so much.